Higher U.S. bond yields can pressure gold prices as they reduce the appeal of non-yielding bullion. Investors will keep an eye on an European Central Bank-hosted conference in Frankfurt on Tuesday, where ECB Chief Mario Draghi, U.S. Federal Reserve Chair Janet Yellen, Bank of Japan Governor Haruhiko Kuroda and Bank of England head Mark Carney will form an all-star panel. Spot gold was down 0.1% at $1,276.26 per ounce at 0754 GMT. U.S. gold futures for December delivery fell 0.2% to $1,276.50. Gold prices continued to trade in a very tight range as investors await cues from global markets, and said in a note. Advertising. Rising bond yields and the lack of progress of U.S. tax reforms have seen investors move to the sidelines in the gold market. U.S. Treasury two-year note yields hit a fresh 9-year high on Monday as the yield curve resumed its flattening and investors priced in a 25 basis point interest rate hike by the Federal Reserve in December. Meanwhile, congressional Republicans pushed ahead on Monday on a U.S. tax code overhaul as a Senate panel considered the issue, but risks lay ahead with major intra-party disputes unsettled and President Donald Trump returning soon from Asia as the debate heats up. There is not much speculative interest in gold this morning. The U.S. Treasury bond yields are also putting some pressure on prices, said a Hong Kong-based trader. Spot gold may break support at $1,274 per ounce and fall to the next support level at $1,263, as suggested by a wedge and a Fibonacci ratio analysis, according to Reuters technical analyst Wang Tao. Hedge funds and money managers raised their net long position in COMEX gold by 7,027 contracts to 173,562 contracts in the week to November 7, U.S. Commodity Futures Trading Commission (CFTC) data showed on Monday. That marked the first time speculators had raised their net long position in 8 weeks. In wider markets, the dollar index, which tracks the U.S. currency against a basket of 6 major rivals, slipped 0.1%, while sterling steadied after a recent slide, which followed concerns about Theresa May's ability to stay on as British Prime Minister. Among other precious metals, silver fell 0.1% to $17.03 per ounce, while platinum was nearly unchanged at $931.60. Palladium recovered from near 2-week lows hit earlier in the session and was up 0.6% at $996.10 an ounce.